Hi everybody, Judy here. Today we're talking about pomegranates, and I have a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to go well with pomegranate. So if you are looking for something a little different to do with them, more than just eating them plain or throwing them in a fruit salad, hopefully this list will help you out. In the proteins category, and that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beans in general, so basically beans of all types, beef, chicken, chickpeas, lamb, legumes in general, lentils, especially red lentils, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, pork, tahini, turkey, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, we have arugula, beets, bell peppers, cabbage, carrots, chili peppers, cucumbers, eggplant, endive, greens, and that includes the bitter greens and the salad greens, bitter greens being one like kale and collard and mustard greens, something like that. Also jicama, onions, radicchio, root vegetables of all sorts, spinach, squash, especially winter squash, sweet potatoes, and tomatoes. In the fruits category, other fruits that go well with pomegranates includes apples, avocados, bananas, cherries, both fresh and dried, coconut, cranberries, fresh and dried, figs, grapefruit, kiwi fruit, lemons, limes, melons, olives, oranges, and orange juice, peaches, pears, quinces, strawberries, and watermelon. In the grains and grain products category, there is barley, bulgur, couscous, grains in general, quinoa, rice, and wheat berries. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, there's cheese, particularly cream cheese and goat cheese, and also yogurt. In the other foods category, there is agave nectar, chocolate, honey, maple syrup, oil, especially olive oil, sugar, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar, sherry vinegar, and red and white wine vinegars. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.